Homestead skills. And yeah, yesterday was my day to go out and about and spend some money. First thing on the agenda, of course, was to gas up my car. Now I still try to just drive locally so I don't have to fill up the car that often, but it does run out of gas eventually, and it needs a fill up. And yeah, price is still fluctuating up and down, and one day is better than the next, but not by that much. And at this point, unless there's a real good price drop, I only fill it up as I need it. So after that, of course, went and did some shopping, went to Costco, and yeah, going shopping anywhere today is like death by 1,000 cuts. Every time you go, something is increased in price. I mean, we have flyers that come out every Thursday for a number of the stores, and the ones that I don't get flyers for, I can go online and find out what they have on sale, and occasionally I'll find something online that I don't have a flyer for. But lately, it just seems that there is nothing in the flyers that I want, nothing that I want to stock up on. I can't get coffee on sale, I can't get olive oil on sale anymore. Butter's up and down. But yeah, some of my staples that I look for and want to stock up, I can't. And the coffee that I buy here regularly is like $19. The 8 o'clock coffee in a bag. And I'll give up coffee before I pay $19 for it, and that's just the way it is. We used to drink 4 or 5 cups of coffee a day, both Mark and I. Thankfully, we've cut that down to 1 cup in the morning, and so we're not drinking as much as we used to, but still nice to have that 1 cup in the morning. Yeah, no sales, and of course then I hit thrift shops, and things are really bad when thrift shop shelves are bare. I mean, the clothing, there's always clothing. People always give up clothing. But, and yeah, I've started to look at the clothing here and there. Normally I do look at some unique items or kitchen items, and the last time I was there yesterday, and I'm telling you, how people say that the grocery stores, the shelves look like they're full, but they're not. Well, that's what's happening at thrift shops. Everything's more spread out. There's a lot less of it. There were times I used to go there and things were piled one on top of each other, and you had to be careful trying to pull something out because you're moving something else. But no, lots of room in between everything. So even thrift shops are noticing a lack of goods. Even that little cast iron cornbread tray I did not find at a thrift store. I went to a flea market that only opens on Saturdays, and I was surprised to find that piece. And she actually had 2 of them, and she didn't even know she had 2. I said, "Yeah, you have another one there." "Do I? Show me." So I had to show her where it was. That was pretty funny. But yeah, flea markets can be like that. They just have junk on top of junk on top of junk. And I mean, there's one fellow there, he's got everything. He does have cast iron pieces, but nothing that I wanted. And he was one of the individuals that I asked if he had a waffle iron. And he said he had one about a month ago. But it was sold, and I said, "Yeah, I've been looking online for them, but and he says, "Yeah, they're pretty costly online." I said, "Yeah, that and shipping them, it can be, on top of the cost of the item, can be pretty rough." But anyway, he didn't have one, so I moved on. And yes, got my hair cut. I have a tendency to want to cut my hair real short, and the ladies always object to that. They want to cut it longer because of my hairline, and I said, "I don't care, shave the back." The issue with me is I want to cut my hair as few times as possible. I don't want to go to the hairdresser every week. I'm not like the ladies in the 50s who used to all meet at the hairdressers. I like something now that's simple. I wish that I could wear long hair. I used to have hair down to my waist. I can no longer wear it like that. Gives me headaches if I tie it up. Gives me headaches if it's too long. So, and it's not like my hair is heavy. It's really fine. It may look thick, but it is very fine. So anyway, I cut it as short as I can and fuss with it until I'm happy with it, and then after it's grown another inch, it'll be fine. But yeah, I got her to cut it shorter than they want to. And funny thing was, I went to my regular lady, and she couldn't take me. Like normally, you know, she said, well, I can take you in half an hour. That's fine, half an hour, I don't mind. I never make appointments. And I'll wait a while. I think in all fairness, if you don't make an appointment, you should be willing to wait a while. She couldn't. It was like an hour and a half, and I said, nah, I'm not going to wait an hour and a half. And the other lady was busy, so I went to the second shop there, and oh no, for them it was 2 hours. So I thought, nope, I'm done. I'm not getting a haircut today. But then on my way out, I spotted another little shop. I thought, okay, I'll give these people a chance, see what they're like. And sure enough, the girl was willing to do my hair in about half an hour, you know, half-hour wait. I think I waited 20 minutes. I don't think it was that long. And she did a good job. She took her time. I was happy with the results, much happier, and it cost less. I saved. I mean, I always tip these ladies because that's what you do. But it still cost me less than my normal lady. Probably saved about $10. And she did what I wanted, you know. Even though she felt it was cutting it too short, I said, yeah, don't worry about it. Just cut it short as you can get away with. Because it grows quickly. And I used to have that issue with my bangs. When I wore bangs, if I didn't get them trimmed every 2 weeks, they irritated me. And then I'd cut them myself and I'd make a mess of it. So I stopped wearing bangs. I got tired of trying to fix them or trying to get them trimmed every 2 weeks. Anyway, so that was my day yesterday. Oh yeah, and of course, first thing in the morning, I canned up some chicken stock. I have to go buy more chicken carcasses and put them in my freezer. Probably do that today. Anyway, not a terribly productive day, not a terribly busy day. Yeah, it was a day of spending money. Hopefully your grocery bills aren't too terrible. I think they're only going to get worse. And yes, shopping the sales if you can. I'm hoping that they start putting some of the things that I buy on sale again. We'll see. Okay, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.